the sun out, man. You don't know what time it is. Look at that beautiful sun right there. I'm not sure what time it is right now, but the sun's out, so I chose the time to come outside. Anyways, I wanted to take the time to say you regain your natural instincts when you're in nature. A lot of y'all might be like, instincts? Yes, instincts, bro. What took us away from our instincts was our society right now. Right now, we have a cell phone. We have a game system. A lot of us have those things. Some of us don't, but a lot of us do have those type of things. Cell phones, video games, materialistic stuff that take us farther away from our natural instincts, man. And I received this information from, like I said, I've been writing down everything. And this is one of those topics one of those ideas that came into my head. So I had to instantly write it down. So that's where I'm at right now, talking to you. Our natural instincts are figuring things out for ourselves without using Google. A lot of y'all, when y'all are stuck about something and you need help, what do? You go on Google. You Google something. You hold on. You'll go on Google and Google whatever it is that you're having a problem with or to fix something. You Google. That's a problem. We're trusting the internet, which we shouldn't be. We should be experiencing the world for what it is, because we are the chosen ones. We're here to experience, figure things out for ourselves, which is one of our instincts, man, to figure things out, to create. We're the chosen ones. Feels good being out here in nature with the sun out, man. Earlier it was thunderstorming, man. Oh snap, man! Y'all see that? But man, come back to nature, man. Get your instincts back. When you start grounding yourself, man, planting your feet, your bare feet, into the grass is not gonna hurt your feet, man. What are you scared of? The grass is not gonna hurt your feet. Nothing that was made by the Creator will harm us. Think about that. Think about that. Anything that is made by man hurts us. As y'all know, a lot of y'all know that explosion was created by man. Those plants, and you know what I'm talking about, plants, like those chemical plants, all that stuff, was created by man. So the explosion that happened was created by man, was caused by man. We need to return back to nature, man. Not only will it cure diseases, not only will nature, I had to let that family pass, but not only will nature cure you of diseases, but You breathe better in nature. There are tribes, people, us, humans, that don't depend on technology to survive. We depend on technology to survive in America. America right now is built around technology. Y'all, less, more and more people are shopping online, which means less people are going to stores. We're using technology for everything. In the future, if the world does not end, robots will take over the world. Our job system, robots will take that over. Movies predicted this. Terminator, all that stuff, man. But you choose what you believe in, man. You go within. Go within, man. Always go within, man. I don't need to tell y'all that. You have all the information. I don't care if this video gets one view, man. I did my thing, man. I did my thing. Y'all go ahead and do your thing, man. I'm gonna keep meditating, keep getting in nature. This something. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. Let me be out here by myself. I don't feel alone at all. Once you love yourself, you will never be alone. Never. Put me anywhere by myself, I'll be okay. Cause I know the Creator already knew it was gonna happen. So there's no need to worry about anything, man. You have the power. We come back to nature. That being said, Wavy more out. Peace. Hold on, let me get this sun. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh. And I come back from a basketball game. I mean, not a basketball game, but like, shoot around, practicing on my game and stuff. Feel good. Feel good. Look good, feel good. Love you all. Love you more. Peace.